Today we're talking about AWS organizations. In this video, we're going to cover what AWS organizations is and how it works, organizational units and account structure, consolidated billing and cost benefits, service control policies, and the common use cases and pricing. So AWS organizations is a service that allows you to centrally manage and govern multiple AWS accounts within a single organization. Think of it like a company org chart for your AWS accounts. Instead of managing each AWS account separately, you group them into an organization with a management account at the top and member accounts underneath. So you get consolidated billing, centralized policy management, and the ability to organize accounts into groups. So it's perfect for companies with multiple teams, departments, or environments that need separate AWS accounts. So every organization has this structure. The management account, which is the main account that creates the organization. It pays the bill for all the member accounts, creates and manages policies, cannot be restricted by policies. And then the member accounts are individual AWS accounts that join the organization, can be organized into organizational units, and subject to policies applied by the management account. Organizational units are logical groupings of accounts. It could be nested, or policies can be applied at the OU level. One of the biggest benefits is consolidated billing. Instead of each account getting its own bill, the management account receives one bill for all accounts in the organization. The benefits are the volume discounts, so combined usage across all accounts can reach discount tiers faster, easier cost tracking, so you see spending across all accounts in one place, and reserve instance sharing, so RIs purchased in one account can apply to usage in other accounts. One bill to pay, easier accounting, and potential cost savings. Service control policies are the key governance feature. SCPs are permission guardrails that control what actions accounts in your organization can perform. An example SCP is accounts in the development OU cannot launch EC2 instances larger than T3 medium. Even if a user has admin permissions in their account, the SCP overrides it. So SCPs are about setting boundaries, not granting permissions. A real-world use case for security and compliance, you would apply an SCP to the entire organization. So it'd be something like all accounts have CloudTrail enabled and logs cannot be deleted. This enforces compliance across every account automatically. And for pricing, AWS organizations is completely free. There's no charge to create organizations, add accounts, create OUs, or apply SCPs. You only pay for the AWS resources used within each account. The service itself costs nothing. So that's AWS organizations. Centrally manage multiple AWS accounts with consolidated billing and policy-based governance. If you found this helpful, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.